Hello, everyone. Today, I want to talk to you about why cartography, as the language of geography, is so important for decision making. I want to thank my friend and co-author Britta for extending the invitation to speak to you today. And I also trust that Georg, president of the International Cartographic Association, already covered some points I'm about to make on the role of cartography for sustainable development. Maps have been with us throughout history, guiding explorers, delineating territories, and revealing opportunities and risks across the globe. But in the 21st century, the role of maps and cartography has evolved far beyond just navigation and locating things. Maps and geospatial information have become a critical interface between data, insights, and action. Maps are not just pictures of places. They are powerful tools for understanding the world. They help us see patterns, connections, and problems that are hard to understand from numbers and text alone. When information is put on a map, it becomes easier to ask the right questions, to make informed choices, to visualize problems, and therefore potential solutions. In today's world, many of the challenges we face, climate change, public health, transportation, inequality, and in general, sustainable development, all have strong spatial dimension. Where people live matters, where resources are located matters, and where risks are concentrated matters. Cartography helps us decision makers understand these where questions clearly and quickly. Maps also help us understand consequences of decisions. A policy may look good on paper, but maps can reveal who benefits, who is affected, and also where unintended impacts may occur. This makes decisions and discussions more transparent and grounded in evidence rather than assumptions. Just as importantly, cartography helps us explore those alternatives. By comparing different scenarios on maps, we can test those ideas, evaluate trade-offs, and imagine better solutions for people, places, and planet. And this is where you come in. As future cartographers, geographers, and geospatial thinkers, you have a crucial role to play. You are not just learning how to make maps. You learn how to guide decision makers, ask critical questions, and communicate complex issues in clear and visual ways. Your skills can help shape policies, inform public debate, and contribute to global agendas that aim for a more sustainable, inclusive, and resilient future. As a community, we should all keep on advocating for more quality and coherent use of geospatial information to guide these decisions. We should not underestimate the role and responsibility we have as a community to guide decisions and also advocate for benefits of geospatial information for public policies. In short, cartography is more than maps. It is about knowledge, responsibility, and using geospatial thinking for people, places, and planets. Wishing you a successful workshop.